Oh, that's delicious! Now that's a fantastic pork adobo. Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today's recipe is pork adobo. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of my pork adobo. Pork, garlic, cooking oil, onion, ginger, vinegar, ground black pepper, tomato, and soy sauce. Now let's start cooking. Now the pan is hot, just add the oil. Once the oil is hot, add the pork. We're going to brown off the pork, guys. After a minute, just turn the pork over. Be careful because it's very hot. At this point, add the garlic and saute. Then add the ginger. Smells lovely. And mix it up. Now add the onion. Now it's time to add the tomato. Mix it up. Until tomato turns soft. Now we can add the ground black pepper. Give everything a good stir. Now the tomato is soft, add the vinegar and soy sauce. Mix it up and cover and simmer on a low heat. Okay guys, after 30 minutes, the kitchen smells wonderful. It's time to give everything a stir. Cover and simmer. After the final 15 minutes, your pork adobo is now ready. Serve with rice and enjoy. Now let's taste it. Oh, that's delicious. Now that's a fantastic pork adobo. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today, and if you like it, then like it. If you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.